Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cantika Rajabani. Today I'm going to tell you a wonderful story called The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, on a warm sunny day, a mother duck was waiting for her egg to hatch the leg. One by one, the egg made it crack, and out came little yellow duckling. But the last egg was very big and took longer to hatch. When it finally did, a large, gray, and awkward duckling came out. He did not look like the others at all. The other animals laughed and sighed. Ha 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 ha, what an ugly duckling! The poor duckling felt so sad and lonely. He decided to run away. He went through the forest, across rivers, and through the cold winter night. No one wanted to be his friend. Then, one beautiful spring morning, he saw a group of elegant white birds swimming on the lake. They were so gracefully and beautiful. They were fun. The duckling went into the water and was shocked. He was not gray, ugly duckling anymore. He had grown into a beautiful wet swan. The other swan came and said kindly, "Welcome! You are one of us now." The ugly duckling felt so happy and finally understood. He was never meant to be a duck. He had always been a swan inside. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berisik. Udah yang biasa aja.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.